Hello guys, today we discuss about binary search algorithm in search algorithms, analysis and designs of algorithm. Introduction. Binary search is a search technique which works efficiently on the sorted list. Hence, in order to search an element into the sublist by using binary search technique, we must ensure that list is sorted. Binary search follow divide and conquer approach in which the list is divided into two halves and the item is compared with middle element of the list. If the match is found, then location of middle element is returned. Otherwise, the search into the other half depended upon the result produced through the match. So this is the algorithm. We declare the binary search method in which A is an array, lower bound and upper bound, and the value which have been searched. Step 1, we set beginning with a lower bound, end with a upper bound, and position of value is -1. Repeat step 3 and 4 while beginning less than equal to end. Set mid is equal to beginning plus end divided by 2, which gives a location of a middle element in an array. If middle element of an array is equal to value, then we return and print position is equal to middle, and then go to step 6. Else, if array of middle element is greater than value, then we set end is equal to mid minus 1. Else, we set beginning is equal to mid plus 1. End of loops. If position is equal to -1, then the value present in array is not there or not exists. So there is an example in which item searched is equal to 23. In step 1, we search the middle element of array. Here, middle element 13 is less than 23. Then we declared middle beginning is equal to middle plus 1, which is 5, 5 position, and end is equal to 8. Then we find middle of both. 5 plus 8, 13, which is 13. 13 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Middle element is 6. We search 23, but middle element is not 6. Then we repeat this process in which beginning is equal to mid plus 1. That means 6 plus 1, and end is equal to same 8. Then our position is 15 by 2, 7. Then array we will set a of mid is equal to array, which is our main goal of searching 23. Then we print the location of middle. So this is a code in C. We declared a main. We declared an array, item and location. This is our main. This is our main binary search function. This we pass array, beginning, end, and item to be searched. This algorithm followed by this. The complexity of this algorithm is shown in the table. In worst case, it will be O of log n. In best case, it will be order of 1. In average case, it will be order of log n. And space complexity order of 1, that means size of an array. Thank you so much.